did blow 2 windshields out.
Oh man. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop. Oh, nice. That's fancy.
It's 412 18s on 4 roofless in case.
Okay. Are the .12s, not .11s?
4.12s.
Okay. Okay. Oh, those are a lot of motor force.
Yeah.
Wow. This looks good. Did you build this?
Yeah, I did.
Nice. Is that a 4th?
It is a 4.
Wow. Do you know, a couple questions, I'm sorry. Do you know like tuning, SPO?
I don't have a correct tuning on it, but I do have, it's 3.5 cubes on the lower end. And there's about 6 cubes per sub on the top end.
Ooh.
That's good. We're peaking about 44.
Okay. Wow. Looks good. What is the lithium battery bank or alternator power, anything like that?
I got 2 370 amp pure power alternators. They're externally regulated. I got them running at 15.6. I have a 90 amp hour vibration audio.
Okay.
Lots of 0 gauge.
Yeah. Awesome.
That's the dash smacking up against the windshield. I'm not trying to take the dash out. They're gonna put me in an extreme class. Extreme
Try to keep stock cabin.
Right.
Yeah. But you've done some work up here.
There's a. All right, so on the roof there's a empty cavity. So there's a roof and then there's a piece of sheet metal. So the cavity in there is filled with expanded foam, and then there's 2 layers of foam.
Okay. Got it. Yep. Nice. Wow. Have you had any windshield issues?
That's I put the polycarbonate in and I'm still cracking it.
Oh man. Yeah.
But that's application issue. Like the installation issue, I didn't put.
This is handling good though.
But I did blow 2 windshields out.
Oh man.
So they're not cheap.
No. Are you happy with the system?
So far I'm happy with the 5s. I'm having less temperature. I haven't smelt these not one time. I was running sundown.
Yeah.
Which I'm not gonna sit there and bash sundown. I still have 6 CV 6 18s. I'm about to put in the build.
Oh wow.
So
yeah.
I just
4-inch coils help a little bit too.
Yes.
You can handle more power handling on them. So
most definitely the flat wound coils are just a lot weaker than the 5s coils.
Yeah. So, random question about these subs. Do you know how many, do you have any extra spiders on it to make it that punch, or is that just stock?
All right, so that's actually 5 layers. I don't know all the specifics on them. They're not my subs. They weren't built for me. They were actually built for Josh Kingsmore.
Okay.
I just was the lucky fella that got them.
Awesome. I was gonna say because I don't think they do the 12 slug. Usually it's 11 slug. So.
Well, the 4.12 or the 4.12s are special edition team series, which they have the 4.18s as well.
Really? Okay. I'm still learning them. Anyway, your name?
Dean Brown.
Dean. Appreciate it, Dean. Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you too.
I'm gonna go look at the back and the amp and all of that, if that's all right.
That's fine.
Yep. Awesome. Wow. Some good pressure. How y'all doing? Appreciate it. Looks really good. I've never really seen these subs before, so this is pretty fancy. Yeah, man, I'd love to hear it. Appreciate the info. Wow. Man, that's got good bandwidth and it's punchy. You feel that throw?
Yeah.
I can't imagine, like, man, just if you put this window up, like, you'd probably have to worry about breaking stuff. So thank you for the demo, though, man. That was pretty good. What song was that? That had good bandwidth.
Blindfold by Young Dolph.
Okay, that was a good one, Blindfold. 2635, okay. That 35, that punch. So.
Yeah.
I heard something slap and your dash is just getting destroyed, man.
Yeah, it's the dash smacking up against the windshield.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at